Did you know that nature still hides mysteries that confuse scientists? Ball lightning, glowing spheres that float during storms and vanish without a trace. Nobody knows how they form. Dark matter, most of the universe is made of something we can't see or touch, and we still don't understand it. Planetary radio waves, some planets emit strange signals that reach Earth, and their origin remains a mystery. Whale navigation, they travel thousands of kilometers in straight lines without maps or compasses. How they do it is still unknown. Give it a like, and if you enjoyed it, subscribe. Nature still holds many secrets.